What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be downgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 7. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so turn on your computer first and go into the Windows 10 desktop menu. After that, you just need to put in the Windows 10 boot disk or USB and restart your computer. Then you'll be taken to this screen which says Windows is loading the files. All it's doing is loading the files for the setup so you can get started with the Windows 7 or whatever OS you want to install. And keep in mind, before you do anything, please back up all your files. They will be deleted because you're going to be wiping everything off the hard drive and it's just going to be brand new. So it says here Windows is loading files. This screen, it takes quite a bit of time, not too long, but you're just gonna have some patience. It'll boot up. Alright, now that Windows has finished loading up the files, we just have to wait for the Windows 7 selection thingy here, and we'll have to choose our language, time zone, and the keyboard input method. So just click next as soon as you've selected yours and click install now. It'll say setup is starting, so just wait. It shouldn't take too long, but depending on your computer specs, that can vary. Click I accept the license terms and click next. Now, don't click upgrade, click custom. Now what you're going to want to do is click on your original partitions and delete all of them. And then what you're going to want to do is click drive options and click new. And then just make your partition from there. And then click next. And this took a while. You're just going to have a lot of patience for installing the Windows files. It takes maybe around 30 minutes, but depending, again, as I said before, depending on your computer specs, speed can be different. Please keep in mind that your computer will restart a couple of times, but that's necessary for the setup. So don't get worried that your computer is busted. It's the actual system doing it, so that's completely normal. It'll happen a couple times. Now the main installation is complete, and all you need to do is just set up Windows, like make your account and all your personal settings. So just fill those out and it shouldn't take too long. Just giving you guys a heads up, this part will take a very long time. Like, I had to set the speed of this to ×5. So again, you're gonna have some patience and maybe try to find something you can do in the meantime, like play a game. But there we go. Seems like it's already done. So we're just gonna test out the video, and actually we'll have a more in-depth view. So we're gonna screen record this through my screen capture. So as we take a look at the main specs, the processor is the Core 2 Duo. We have 4 gigs of RAM, and this is Windows 7 Pro with 64-bit. And as you can see here, just running YouTube, it runs perfectly fine, but it has a little bit of trouble handling 1080p, but 360p it just did it all in one shot. So Windows Media Player works, and the photos here works too. I forgot to mention that it has 500 gigs of storage, well, about that on the hard disk. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like our videos. Thanks. Have a great day.